The government and two giant sugar unions have struck a deal that will allow private investors to run and manage 4 state-owned sugar factories. Kenya National Federation of Sugar Farmers, the Kenya Union of Sugar Plantation and Allied Workers, and the Ministry of Agriculture have agreed to iron out all pending issues to fast-track the lease agreement, which has been pending for 2 years now. The government is in the process of leasing out the 4 loss-making sugar factories, namely Nzoia, Chemilil, Muhorono and Sony, to private players. In a meeting between the overseeing committee led by Kenya Sugar Board Chief Executive Officer Jude Chesire and the two unions, Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe reassured that the leasing will not be done without the input of farmers and workers, adding that any issues will be resolved before the leasing process is finalized.
As farmers' voice, the issue of leasing we want is as soon as possible. If you can tell us today that so and so has taken which factory, but we don't want to rely on rumors, because when we go back to the field, we are just getting rumors which we cannot classify.
Nobody has taken over, and I'll tell you why nobody has taken over. We have not concluded the negotiations. And what is currently happening is negotiation. 1. 2, the reason why you are here and the reason why I cannot announce anybody who has taken over is because what you are telling us here informs part of the negotiation. Negotiations cannot be concluded until we hear you. How can we go and conclude negotiations when we don't know what your problems are?